To take the U-joint off, I have to push this. In my case, in this particular case, we got a little fold down tab on the side of the bolt right there, and I gotta push that over and then take the bolt out. Do that on all of them, all 4 of them, all the way around. I'll get those out, and sometimes these caps will come out, sometimes they won't. If they don't come out right away, then you got to beat on this part right here with a hammer. Stay as close to the bend in it as you can. Of course, you're not going to bend this thing anyway, but it's just, anyway, you beat that with a hammer and it will push this out, because the impact of pushing this up is making this part hit against the inside of the U-joint, and it pushes it out for you. So we will hopefully not have to do much hammering, but they do make a press for this, but you don't need to buy one of those for at home. You could spend $1 million on special tools for every little job, when a few hammers and screwdrivers and things will get it done. I think I got lucky on this one. I think this one's going to come out. Trying to do it with one hand here. It obviously is going to come out, but I need 2 hands. Sorry. The side I just took out is opposite. It's on top now. I'm going to take this one out, and then we'll get the slip yoke off, and then we can take the other one off. I think we got a little bit of a camera mount going here temporarily. This one came off good too. We didn't have to hammer it. So you may not have seen what I just did there. I just slid this slip yoke forward and got that off there. Now it's not going to fall because it's hanging on a chain. But to take the rest of the U-joint out, a little sunlight in the way. Take the rest of the U-joint out. We're just going to go on ahead and take these off here. But I'm going to separate these videos so that if somebody wants to do a carrier bearing or just a U-joint, then we just have this video here. And this thing is being really nice to me. This cap is coming off too. Uh-oh. The cap's supposed to be welded onto the this cap's supposed to be welded onto this one, and that came off. So let's see. Let me just there we go. We got this one off, and all of our little bearings are inside there. That's something that we'll be talking about when we put a new U-joint in. See all those bearings right there? They kind of came out a little bit. That's not good. I'm going to try to do this with one hand because I got to hold this drive shaft out of the way. I'm too lazy to find something to tie it back. Okay, we got that cap off. Now I just pull it right out of there. I'm going to try to do this with it's a 1 5/8 socket that fits it, and I only have that in a 3/4 drive, but I'm going to use an adapter and a 1/2 inch drive impact and see if it comes out with that. If it doesn't, then I got to bring the 3/4 inch impact out, and I got to bring a different air hose because it's a bigger gun. I got a bigger air hose for it. It's coming out. It seemed like it was loose. I'm going to see how well it tightens. It was loose and it tightens good, so that's all it was. But I'm still going to change the carrier bearing because it's loose up there. And this rubber thing is all kind of worn. I'm going to pull with this hand and hit this one with the hammer. There. I'm out of air. Well, it was my impact that blew out. Something blew out inside of it. I had to grab another one. This is a brand new one. A Harbor Freight one this time. Let's see how well that goes. I'm going to have to hold this thing up. Either I got to wrap a chain or something around and hold the thing up, or I'll have to hold it up there with my leg.